Good morning and welcome to Fat Cow Farm. Now here we are, I finally finished the other end of the high tunnel hoop house. Now as you can see, what I've done is I've got a side window here, or a casement window here, and what I've done is a reverse awning window on this side. Okay, so what we have is at the other end of the hoop house, we're opposing. So on the right hand side down the far end, we have a casement window. Now, my thought process is that with the north breeze running, which is coming from this way, it's going to come through, pick up that window and send it diagonally across the hoop house and then out this side, like so, which is then also with the north winds, hopefully going to act like a vacuum. So in and out. Now that's the theory. I don't know if it's going to work or not. But anyway, we'll give it a crack. And that way what we've got is cross ventilation coming through the hoop house. Now on this one with the reverse awning, again, we've got the same opposing side. Now these ones are really designed for high level heat to come out, okay? So what I'm going to be doing is putting on some solar heat auto openers. I haven't sourced them yet, so I'm still going through the process. But the way that they're going to work is that as the temperature heats up inside, you can preset a temperature on those openers. So as an example, let's say it's 30 degrees. And at 30 degrees, this will start opening. And then as it cools down at night, it'll start retracting to keep the air or the warmth in at night and to release that hot air during the day. Now what we've also done is put in barn doors, same as the other end, like so. So if we're working in there, we can just have that closed off. That's good ventilation, whichever way it's going to work. So I think originally what we'll do is I'll just drop a pin through this so that we can open them both at the same time. If we need to, we can close them at the same time. So I've gone through the process now of thinking about what extras we have to do. Now what I am going to do is run another water feed in here, and I'm going to do this one with misting jets, and I think I'm going to split it up. I'm going to have one side of the high tunnel hoop house as a misting jet system coming from the roof line, and I'm going to then have another system running through for drip irrigation, same as like what we've got in the veggie garden chicken coop. So depending on which way what I'm growing and things like that, I'll have some sort of manifold system, taps, that I can run backwards and forwards and do it that way. Now I will be running a ventilation system in here, and I'm going to try and find myself some 12 volt fans, waterproof fans, so that I can then put them typically on this side here and opposing at the other, so I can push air out, and that'll happen on both sides. And again, what I'll do is I'll put that onto a temperature thermostat, so that'll kick in once the windows are open, just trying to expel a little bit more of that that hot air, especially during the summer. So here we are. I'm ready for my polycarbonate. That's going to be the next job that we set here. I've got to order that now, and I know what I need for both sides, and away you go. So all about high tunnel hoop ends. We've now finished. The theories are slowly coming into place. I'm going to start working through with the soils and working through the days now about how I'm going to design the inside and how we're going to make that efficient for us. So until then though, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.